it's Bakisa. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a voiceover on how to make these luxury hang tags for your hair bundles. Yeah, so we just go ahead and start by adding your brand name, and also be mindful to choose a background. Here I chose a silky satin black background, but you could choose whatever background you desire. Then pick your font, of course. And a lot of this I'm going to be quiet for, so you could just look and watch because some of it is self-explanatory. So yeah. Here I'm just choosing an element out of Canva's element to use as my background to write my wording on so that it can pop a little bit more. You can choose a gold background, white, whatever reflects more of your brand and looks more appropriate. I chose a gold element just because we are going for this luxury look. And also, some of these elements that I'm using are Canva Pro, so if you don't have a Canva Pro account, feel free to use my affiliate link down below so you could try Canva Pro, Canva Pro free for 30 days. Okay. Really quick, if you hear noise in the background, these people decided to cut the grass on the day I want to do the voiceover. But pro tip, group your elements together like I'm grouping them here, so it's easy to move things around, so you won't have any difficulty shifting your elements. Here I just added a few little bling elements just to make my what am I trying to say? To make my elements look a little bit more luxury, look a little bit more realistic. That's what it is. So don't forget to add these little details to make your designs look more realistic, almost as a Photoshop type of effect. So don't disregard adding these little extra elements. Here I'm just going to duplicate for another page and just duplicate the background so I have the same background for the back of our hang tag. Now I'm going to use the positioning tool at the top and group everything that I want to group together and hit the tidy up button, and that way it'll align everything evenly. So now I'm just going to add a few social media elements and just match the colors up and add them to our hang tags, and we're almost done. So we're just going to go back to the top and grab and duplicate some of the elements from the first or the front of the hang tag to add to the back of the hang tag to make everything look more cohesive. And don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're loving these tutorials, please leave a comment below and let me know what other tutorials you would love to see here. When you're done, just save it as a PNG to send out to your local printers, or you can print it right inside of Canva's app. And I hope this was helpful.